ingredient chicken that I've adapted to my Instant Pot. This recipe is already on the blog and it's one of a few that have become a staple in our household. I've relied on simple recipes like this one in the last year. You only need a few essential spices that I'm sure you already have. This really takes the guesswork out of meal prep. You can make it in your kadhai, in your pressure cooker, or using an Instant Pot. So it's not just an Instant Pot recipe. In fact, the recipe on the blog uses a kadhai. The 3-ingredient chicken uses 3 ingredients to flavor the chicken. So yes, it is 3 plus 1. Group 1 are aromatics like onion, garlic and ginger. You can use all 3 of them or choose to use any one. I chose to go with all 3. The second ingredient are whole spices. Use as many as you want, but if you have to choose one, go with cumin. And then ground spices, turmeric, red chili, coriander powder and salt. You can use all or skip the coriander if you're not fond of it. Together with chicken, those are our ingredients for this recipe. Follow along as I make it in my Instant Pot. There's another tip coming up to make it even more delicious, so keep watching. So far, we've been building up to this step of finally cooking the chicken. We've sauteed it, we've flavored it with spices, and now I'm adding a cup of yogurt. This adds a little bit of tartness to the final product, and it also gives a really beautiful texture to the gravy that will result from it. So make sure you do this. If not, always try it at least once. This basic recipe is endlessly modifiable with a huge variation of ground and whole spices. So give it a go. Once you master this, the possibilities are endless. I love serving this with rice or freshly made whole wheat rotis or paranthas. One of my favorite ways of eating something like this, a meat or a chicken dish, is served right over a warm roti or like here on a parantha. Try it. That's one of my tips. You will really like the juicy center once you reach it from the outside. As always, please like this video, please share it, and if you haven't, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss a recipe again.